changing the way that we engage with heritage is the way forward. Virtual heritage technologies that we developed at NTU are designed to serve the sustainable preservation of historic sites. And this basically because we know and understand historic sites change with time. They are preserved over long periods, but yet you do not ensure that they will be preserved perfectly for the next 100 or 200 years.
The unique demands of cultural heritage includes, for example, that any investigation is best performed non-invasively. So you need instruments that can conduct non-invasive imaging or other kinds of investigation on these cultural heritage objects. So our team at Isaac Lab is unique not only in developing the latest optical instruments specific for cultural heritage in order to push the field forward to be able to gain information that was not possible previously.
So we scan the buildings, we scan even different spaces, but also we scan the geography and the landscape around them. Our technology is trying to really not to only capture the historic spaces, not to just record it as they are, but trying to capture the hidden stories, the hidden layers of archaeology, history, and architecture, then processing them and creating a new virtual experiences. You can really redesign that experience in a customized way. And this is where our technology are really heading ahead of anybody else.